Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be replacing the LCD and glass screen assembly on your LG Stylo 3. Let's get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to want to do is remove the back cover. It's going to have a small opening over here on the lower left hand corner. You're going to pry on there with your nail and lift it up. Okay, the back cover is going to come right out. Alright, let's remove the battery and SIM card and SD card if there's one in there. As you can see, there's a SIM card in this one. So let's remove that. Alright, then next thing we're going to need is a small Phillips head screwdriver. Alright, and we're going to be removing all of the Phillips head screws holding on the back frame. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that now. So once you have all the Phillips head screws removed, there should be 12. We can go ahead and begin to lift up on the rear frame. All right. First thing we're gonna do though is we're gonna remove the stylus. So lift it up, and it comes right out. All right. Once you have that out, we're gonna begin to pry up around the rear plastic, and it will lift up. Okay, as you can see, it's going to lift up and there's going to be an opening. Alright, so we're going to kind of just go around it, releasing all of the clips. You can do it with your nail or with the open prying tool. If you're going to do it with the open prying tool, be careful you don't lift up on it too hard. All right, let's put that to the side. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna need to disconnect all of the flex cables. Let's start with this one down here, which is the LCD cable. All right, once you lift that up, let's go ahead and disconnect the front camera cable and the rear camera cable. All right, and they come right out. The rear camera comes right out. Front camera should come right out as well. Might have to pry up on it. Pull up on it gently, wiggle it, and it will come right out. Alright, so once you have all of these cables removed, you can lift up on the motherboard, lift up on it from the back, and then gently wiggle it around so that it will be released from the clips, and the motherboard comes right out. Alright, so next thing we're going to have to transfer over is the vibrator motor. So let's go ahead and lift that up. Alright, it comes right up. Let's go ahead and lift up the headphone jack down here. You can stick the screwdriver in just a little bit and pull up on it. Okay. Okay, and then we're gonna need something thin to get under here. To get under the flex cable to lift it up. Comes out one piece. All right, and then last but not least, let's lift up the ear speaker. All right, and the ear speaker comes out pretty easily as well, as you can see it here. Let's put that to the side. Okay, so pretty much everything has been removed. The only thing left is the volume button over here. This antenna cable down here. All right, so when you order your new LCD screen assembly, it should come like this. You should order it with the rear frame so that it will be a lot easier to put it back together. You can also just order the glass and LCD assembly, which will come one piece. And then we would need to heat this up, heat it up around all the sides so that we can, with a prying tool, remove the glass and place the new glass and LCD on this frame. Okay, and the cable would fit in through a small opening that it has down here. This cable right here, which is for the screen assembly. All right, but I recommend you ordering the part like this with the frame. It should cost $5–10 more, which is not much, and it will be more professional because you won't have to glue anything down. It will come already glued like this, and it will be much easier to work on and put back together. All right, so once you have your frame completely disassembled like this, and you have your new one, all you would have to do is follow the steps in reverse order and put it back together. All right, so let's do that now. So once you have all of the Phillips head screws back in, Let's go ahead and place the SIM card in. SD card if you have one. Let's place the battery back on. Let's place the back cover back on. Alright, and let's power the phone on so that we can test it and make sure that the new LCD screen assembly is working fine. Alright, so it looks like the screen is working fine. That's how you replace the LCD and glass screen assembly on your LG Stylo 3. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like these. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.